Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set emoticons of the helpdesk votings. Alright, so the currently and default examples that are into our documentation is about text. So when you click reply, here is how would you rate my reply? It is good, just okay, or not good. This is a text written here. Okay, so in our example now we are going to set emoticons because some people prefer to click on emoticons more than text. Okay, so for this purpose it is very easy. You have to go to settings of this project and then the helpdesk template, and here we see the word good. This word should be replaced with the emoticon. So I have the emoticons here on a separate document, so you just mark the emoticon and then copy it, alright, and then just place it here. This is it. This is as simple as this. And okay, so let's continue with the other ones. The middle answer is this just okay answer is this emoticon, so we paste it as well here onto the just okay. And the last one that is not good is this one. Of course you could set any other emoticons that you like. These are just some examples. Okay, so we place it here and afterwards save the changes. Alright, so let's go back to the tickets. Now when you click on reply, we see that how would you rate my reply, and here are the emoticons. Yeah, this is it. So the client chooses which one to vote for. So if he likes your answer, he will go to vote here. Yeah. So yeah, this was the video showing how to replace the text for the voting with the emoticons. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check others videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thanks again for watching this, and bye bye for now.